As part of COD Cares spring into service, I have volunteers to help out in the garden to get ready for spring growing season. So we have cleaned up our pots. We're also cleaning up the growing beds, and we are planting some peas. In fact, we are installing a pea fence along the south edge there to help the peas and beans grow up that fence in the back. We did some winter sowing. You sow your seeds in a milk jug, and that actually acts as like a mini greenhouse, and things are going to start sprouting in there. So we were checking on those and some general weeding around the edges and in the beds.
Oh, it's so much fun. It's a great thing to pitch in and do all together for students who use the Fuel Pantry.
I spend all my days and classes in this building, and it's nice to see what's going on in the perimeter and helping the community that I didn't even know about.